There's nothing to do on board. This is one of the things that I've heard from people who, of course, take cruises and travel, and they're always saying that there's nothing to do. I've taken 4 cruises, and there's a whole lot to do. It just depends on what your interests are. I've been to shows on aboard. I've been to movies on board. I've been to ice skating. I've been to all types of things on board. They have game rooms. They have pools. They have social times that you can get with other people and meet and greets. And they have all types of stuff. It just depends on what you're willing to do and what you want to do. That you have to decide. And if the cruise ship that you're going on don't have something for you to do, make sure that you find one that does. There's cruise ships out there that have race car tracks on them. They have all these slides and water slides and all this kind of stuff. And you can do all types of stuff on a cruise ship. Like I said, it just depends on what you want to do. Now, I don't know if the people who keep saying this are those who are so-called introvert or not. But like I said, if you're so-called introvert, whichever way you want to put it, don't want to socialize, that kind of thing, maybe a cruise isn't for you. Maybe you need to take a trip that's more of a solo land-based vacation, meaning you fly into the place that you're going to stay at the hotel, that kind of thing, and away from people. Maybe that's more your speed. But a cruise ship, there's always all kinds of things to do. And there's many cruise ships: Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, MSC. There's all types of cruise ships. The one we're taking in October is Princess. So I know they have all kind of activities and bands and things playing. It just depends on what you want to do. Don't keep saying there's nothing to do on a cruise ship. Find what you want to do and find that place. If it's not a cruise, then find a land-based vacation or take a road trip if that's more your speed as well. Peace out.